Okay, so following on from FMQ 511, which was that short muse of spicing up success, and then following on from how to have the mindset of success, we've done a deeper dive with a process, a hypnotic process, hypnosis, to really get successful in everything you do. And this is for each and every goal that you have. So come and have a listen with me. Come do it. Remember, it's hypnosis. So if you can get a place which is nice and quiet when you listen to this, you can do the whole lot in one go. I'll see you in the longer podcast, okay? Go to the episode now.
This is Personal Development Unplugged with Paul Clough.
In simplicity, there is genius.
In simplicity, there is genius.